Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing a neat little trick for Mac users, how to minimize apps into the dock as an icon, instead of just a window. It's a great way to declutter your dock and keep things organized. Ever found yourself with a dock overflowing with minimized windows? Yeah, me too. This simple tip will help you transform those windows into tidy app icons, saving space and making it easier to find the app you need. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps. It's incredibly easy, I promise. We'll cover how to enable this feature through System Preferences and show you exactly how it works in action. So before we dive in, if you enjoy these quick and easy Mac tips, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more. It really helps the channel grow. Okay, let's get started. Screen recording starts showing the process. Alright, so first things first, we need to open System Preferences. You can find it in your dock, or by searching for it in Spotlight using Command plus Spacebar. Once you have System Preferences open, look for the Dock and Menu Bar option. Click on that. Now within the Dock and Menu Bar settings, you'll see a few options related to minimizing windows. The one we're interested in is called Minimize Windows into Application Icon. Simply check the box next to Minimize Windows into Application Icon. That's it. You've now enabled this feature. Demonstrates minimizing windows. Let's see it in action. I'm going to open a few applications here, let's say Safari, Pages, and maybe TextEdit. Now, I'm going to minimize each of these windows using the yellow button in the top left corner. Instead of seeing a separate window icon in the dock, the minimized window will disappear and you'll only see the app icon. To access the minimized window again, simply click on the app icon in the dock. It'll bring back the most recently minimized window. Explains usage and benefits. This is especially useful if you have multiple windows open for the same application. For example, if you have several Safari windows open, minimizing them all this way will keep your dock clean and uncluttered. Clicking on the Safari icon will then cycle through your minimized windows. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference to your workflow and how organized your dock looks.
Recap de outro.
So to recap, open System Preferences, go to Dock and Menu Bar, and check the box next to Minimize Windows into Application Icon.
Super easy, right?
I hope you found this quick tip helpful. It's one of those little things that can really improve your Mac experience. If you have any questions or want to share your own Mac tips, please leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Rome Tips for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.